Hello and welcome to a new episode of the AMAnews August 2023, and as always we're gonna start with SEO, search engine optimization for Amazon. So we find a little hack in the search field. You can find new ideas while using hashtag plus or minus before specific words. For example, you're entering hashtag dishwasher, hashtag pots, hashtag clean, and you're seeing that the last word gets completed, for example cleaner or cleaning, and other missing words are shown in the auto suggests in bold. And you can also try it with plus or minus, as I said before. That's really cool. Of course, as you're seeing here on the left and in the middle examples, you will find a lot more interesting auto suggests for your PPC or your SEO, and I really like that it is working. And so try it out. Take your main words into the search field, combine them with plus, minus or hashtag, and figuring out if you're missing out any long tails or cool new words. As said before, the last word gets completed and you maybe find new spellings or other ideas. Then we will switch to content. In the content section there's an interesting new one. Of course, the Q&A section looks like it disappeared, but when you read exactly in the looking for specific info search field, you're seeing search and reviews, Q&A and more. How it is working, you're just entering a question or a specific subject, word, feature, whatever you want, and then you will see that we have all product information, customers, Q&As and customer reviews. That includes product informations, Q&As, and also Alexa answers, and then you can go through it. And the Q&As haven't disappeared, you can find them directly here. That's really cool. Of course, when you're in product search or you're searching for new content ideas, you need to know where to find the Q&As. Then, as we all using a brand story on our listings to get free premium A+, we are struggling with the brand story and the build of it. Of course, on the desktop you see it completely, customer can understand it, but on mobile you have a problem. And so Amazon used one of the easiest ways with the arrow right this way. So include that in your brand story to make sure on the mobile phones that the customer understands that you can go to the right here while swiping. If not, maybe we are just scrolling over it. If Amazon is using it, we should use it too. And if you liked it so far, subscribe to our channel, ring the bell to stay informed when we're releasing new videos. And of course, use the AMALYZE extension for your Amazon business. Then let's talk about Amazon advertising. Amazon has released an interesting feature, but they are really hiding it. So now you can find a focal point to preview your image in different aspect ratios. That is really interesting. At one point, at the other point you will see later, it's a bit too much from my point of view. So with that focal point, Amazon is able to automatically crop it to different aspect ratios so that the image fits in all your ad placements or in all of Amazon's ad placements. I will show you an example. So in the middle, you will find it on the top, for examples. If you put it on the left up here, you're seeing the movement of the cake, or on the middle right, you're seeing half of the cake will disappear. So in the ad console, it directly looks like that, and you will find more preview aspect ratios down here. But that isn't all. If you go into it, you will find more and more of that previews, and from my point of view, that is really too much. But you can work with it, and you can have a direct look if a customer is able to understand your product and if the focal point is correct. Then an absolute new release, everybody has posted about it without any links and without the exact information, but the sponsored product rest of search bid adjustment is coming. Of course, the announcement of Amazon is just a preview. Advertisers will soon be able to apply bid adjustment controls for rest of search placements, and the Anum is currently in a read-only state, and we will update the release notes when you can start using this feature. So it will come, but it isn't live. It's just a preview what could happen this year. As the AMAnews for August, only September, October, November, and December are left in this year. Hopefully, they will release it in that year. So, then to marketing. Marketing is short, but we are nearly to Q4. We have, of course, Black Friday and Cyber Monday. And then we have a Prime Autumn Deal event. And last but not least, the Q4. So make sure that you have a deeper look in the opportunities that Amazon is offering for the big marketing events in the next months. And last but not least, the marketplace news. So now you can provide consistent quantity information for your customers with size normalization. So not you can it, Amazon will do it. To offer customer consistent product quantity information across stores, we are standardized the size values on search and product detail page. Size normalization helps customers compare products before buying. Absolutely cool. And we have found that listings with valid size values for quantity information are purchased more often. Yes, sometimes it's missing in the main image or in the title, and so with that you need to make sure that you fill in the correct data. Of course, the normalization rules automatically extract data from catalog attributes like unit count type, and then construct the size into a standard format. So make sure you're using the data fields correct. Then new product listings attributes required for new listings as of August 16th. 274 attributes for 200 product types will be required for new product listings. As always, you can find a direct link, and as always, and more important, data is king. Not only, as we have talked about previously about the size normalization, it's also relevant for over 200 new product types with new attributes. And the interesting one is the special feature that will become a cool requirement. You can fill it in with your product, and as we have seen it in the last AMAnews, a lot of the data will directly get an icon on the PDP. That is really cool and special feature. You can normally fill it with free content, and not every customer is reading the bullet points, so make sure you just copy the most important information for your products, and of course fill the rest of the data points. Then the new seller enrollment for Seller Fulfilled Prime will reopen on October 1st this year. We are excited to announce that we will reopen new seller enrollment for Seller Fulfilled Prime SFP in the United States on October the 1st. So if you want to go into it, make sure you are knowing the deadline. To enroll, you must pre-qualify to start the 30-day SFP try. During the try, you must meet all SFP program requirements to pass and become enrolled. Have a domestic US address as your default shipping address. Have an Amazon professional selling account. Meet the following criteria over the past 90 days. Self-fulfilled at least 100 packages, cancellation rate less than 2.5%, valid tracking rate greater than 95%, and late shipping rate less than 4. Then there's a big changing. Orders older than 2 years to be archived starting in September. Starting next month, orders older than 2 years will be archived on a monthly basis. So, if you require any buyer information for accounting or tax purposes, make sure that you download it by the end of August or within 2 years of the order placement. Archived orders still contain many other data fields, including purchase date, product name, ASIN quantity, price, tax, customer charge, shipping fee, and sales channel. If you want to have access at the moment to archived orders back to the last 6-7 years, go to that link and you can download all of them. From September on, you can only go back 24 months or 2 years. Don't miss it out. And last one for August AMAnews. Prepare your FBA inventory now to maximize holiday sales. Yeah, Q4 and the Q4 deal events are directly in front of us. It may take longer to ship inventory to fulfillment centers during the busy holiday season. Check your recommended replenishment quantity and plan shipments now to have your most popular products in stock. And with now, Amazon is meaning now, and I'm also talking about now. So we are at the end of the AMAnews August 2023.